In today's video, let me show you how to get Robux using Sweatcoin. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your device and log into your account. Keep in mind that you can get Robux directly through this app. Instead, you need to participate in the bid section to win a gift card. You can use this gift card on Amazon, which may offer Roblox gift cards. To redeem the gift card, go to Amazon's digital items page, find a PIN code, and then open your Roblox browser. Visit the game card redemption page, enter the PIN code in the designated space, and click redeem. And that's it. Remember, you can get Robux directly from Sweatcoin, but by winning a gift card through the app and redeeming it on Amazon, you can purchase Robux. So go to the bid section, aim to win a gift card, and redeem it on Amazon to get Robux. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.